How to add candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5. First, you want to Google search for candle timer MetaTrader 5 and go to this website, Forex Factory. I will leave a link as a pinned comment as well. And right here, you want to click on this link. You can download it from this link. Click on it and it's going to download. Once you have it downloaded, then you want to extract it. I already have done this, but I'm going to show you. You want to right click on it and then select extract all and then extract this file. And it's going to look like this. Now what we need to do is to open up MetaTrader 5, click on file, then select open data folder. Now go into MQL5. Here you will go into indicators and you just want to get the candle timer. And we will just drag and drop it right here. Once we have done this, then what we can do is to close MetaTrader 5, or what we have to do rather. Now we will reopen MetaTrader 5. So open up MetaTrader 5, and here you will see navigator indicators. So you want to click on indicators to expand it, and you will see candle time MetaTrader 5. Now in order to use this, all you need to do is to drag and drop it onto the line or chart which you want to use it on. Click on OK to confirm it, and it is going to appear and begin working as long as it's USD and Euro, I believe. So that's how we do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.